Gondor peanut butter production line. Fully enclosed production and no pollution. Precise temperature control. Peanut butter production process. Pour in the materials. Carry out baking. Cooling using fan principle. Removing red skins with peeling machine. High completeness rate of peanut kernels. Fully automated and efficient production. Grinding with colloid mill. The fineness of grinding is controlled below 7 micrometers. Adding and stirring to prevent spoilage. Smooth operation. Finished product effect. Client feedback.